Hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? Happy Wednesday. Okay? Pasensya na. Ngayon lang tayo ulit mag-upload ng pick a card reading para sa inyong lahat. And I'm so sorry kasi ngayon lang ako nakapag-update sa ating channel. Kasi nabisi po ako sa everyday life. Okay? So sana yung mga aking loyal subscribers is nandiyan pa rin. Okay? So maraming salamat ulit sa patuloy na nakasubscribe sa ating channel, and I really do appreciate doon sa mga tao na still nag-aabang ng ating upload. So for today or for tonight, we're going to do a pick a card reading. Titingnan natin kung sino yung nakakamiss sa'yo. No? Specifically, sino ba tong person na to na namimiss ka? And ano ba yung message niya para sa'yo? Okay, so again, kung nakasubscribe ka na kay Leluna, alam mo kung ano ang way ng ating pagbabasa ng cards. So take what's resonate and leave the rest. Huwag dibdibin kung hindi mag-resonate sa'yo, whether the energy or the zodiac signs. Okay? So, again, be open-minded para mag-resonate sa'yo yung pile na mapipili mo. And firstly, mag-meditate ka muna para mapili mo yung pile na mag-accurate or mag-resonate sa kwento mo. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. So, this is pile number 1. Itong ating clear stone. Okay? And pile number 2, itong ating red-brown stone. Okay? So, meditate on your cards. Piliin mo yung pile na sa tingin mo or tumatawag nung pansin mo. So, this is a short pick o card reading para malaman lang natin kung sino ang nakakamiss sa'yo ngayon. Okay? This is pile number 1 sa aking left side and this is pile number 2 sa aking right side. So, pili ka na ng pile. Pile number 1 and pile number 2 and mag-start na tayo in a minute. So, choose your pile now. Okay, kung nakapili ka na ng pile, let's start with pile number 1 dito sa ating clear stone. Okay? So, itatabi lang natin ang ating pile number 2 para sa ating reading later. Okay. So, pile number 1. Sino ba tong person na nakakamiss sa'yo? And ano yung messages niya para sa'yo? So, we will start sa ating... I'm using 3 different cards para sa reading na ito. Para sa'yo, pile number 1. Okay, so, ito ang napili mo ang ating clear stone. So, yung iba sa inyo, kilala nyo kung sino to. You know this person. Okay? So, pwedeng this person has a clean intention towards you. Okay? Or crystal clear naman yung intention niya. Kaso nga lang, siguro you are doubting. Okay? So, let's see. Let's see. Pile number 1. So, sino ang nakakamiss sa'yo? Let's start with your tarot card. And then oracle card and messages. Okay. So, first card mo, pile number 1, is the Devil card. So, whether this is a Capricorn or you are a Earth sign or a Capricorn to be specific. Okay, so meron ako nakikita dito na someone is obsessed, someone is overthinker, or there is something na parang may pagka-toxic yung inyong connection nitong person na to. Kasi merong hindi balance between the two of you, whether itong person na to ang hindi balance, or parang doubting, or ikaw yon, pile number 1. Okay? So, pwedeng hot and cold ito, pwedeng merong runner and chaser dito sa connection, pwedeng yung isa is not totally healed pa while the other person is ready na to fall in love again or to love again. Titingnan natin yon, ha? Pile number 1. So, this is the devil card. So, someone or isa sa inyo is may issue. Still may issue. Whether present relationship or past relationship or within yourself. Okay, so second card mo is, wow. This is 8 of Pentacles. Okay. O pwedeng yung isa is nagpapasensya kahit na napaka-stubborn ng other person. Stubborn, matigas ang ulo. Sabihin nating mahirap pakisamahan, mahirap kausap, o pwedeng paiba-iba ng isip. Okay? Po pwedeng this is a coworker or nakilala mo sa trabaho. Okay? Po pwedeng katrabaho mo to, po pwedeng your boss. Okay? If this is an earth sign or you are an earth sign, you are a very hardworking person. Okay? So, po pwedeng this person is a businessman, a businesswoman, or there is some kind of reputation na meron. Okay? Whether ikaw yun ha, or this is the person, po pwedeng this person is an artist. Okay? An artist or someone who is working by hand. Okay? Whether this is a drawing, sketching, crafting. Okay? Or you can be a crafter or you have a business with crafting. Okay? This person is a very dedicated person or ikaw yon, pile number 1. Let's see. Ang iyong third card is earth sign pa rin to. Itong 8 of Pentacles, the Hermit, so Virgo. This person can be a Capricorn and you are Virgo. Okay? Same kayong earth sign, very hardworking. Okay? Very dedicated. Okay? Someone here is silent on the connection. Someone is not talking or someone is soul searching. Okay, while the other person can be busy working. Okay, or one of you is focused on work. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko. Pasensyahan nyo na guys kung naririnig niyo yung aking pusa. Okay, na nagngingiyaw sa background. Okay. And hindi naman siguro masyadong malabo yung ating lights. So, hindi kasi naka-open yung ating ring light, okay? So, hermit mode. So, pwedeng someone is more spiritual other than the other person. Okay? Yes. Pwedeng this is a runner and a chaser connection. Meron ako nakikita, okay, this is a toxic connection. A runner, the other person is runner and the other person is a chaser. There is a betrayal over the connection or merong hindi honest sa connection between the two of you. Someone is not still healing from the past or can be a player. Kasi pag ang the devil is lumabas sa connection or sa ating reading, this is a very toxic or a not so good energy when it comes to relationship, okay? So, your fourth card is, wow, the star, water sign. So, you can be an Aquarius, okay? O, diba? Someone is creative. Yes, someone is creative kesa dun sa other person. Very hardworking, okay? Someone is spiritual. Okay, this is another confirmation that someone is spiritual. Kahit isa sa inyo, whether ikaw to pile number 1 or your person na nakukuha natin ng energy is spiritual, okay? Someone is healing. Pwedeng this person is niloko ka. Pwedeng this person cheated on you. Ginawa kang options, okay? Pwedeng this person is hindi naging tapat sa'yo, hindi naging truthful, okay? and you are still healing sa connection, and you are the one who is in a hermit mode, or so ikaw nasa soul searching phase ng iyong buhay. Okay. Na po pwede siguro nagpo-focus ka muna sa career mo. Po pwedeng decisive breakup. Okay, po pwedeng naghiwalay na kayo nitong person na to. Okay, pile number 1. So, your fifth card is, wow, 5 of Cups. Sadness, grief, stressed, okay, po pwedeng regretting, okay, for what happened in the past. Someone is big time regretting on what happened between the connection. Okay, po pwedeng there is a trauma here. Trauma kasi toxic yung connection. Po pwedeng yung isa sa inyo is takot na magmahal ulit or magtiwala dahil doon sa ginawa ng other person. Okay, kasi nga the devil is here. Okay, binigyan ka ng heartbreak nitong person na to. Sinira niya yung tiwala mo. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng issues, okay, within yourself. Bumaba ang self-esteem, okay. Someone is focusing or regretting big time na sinaktan niya yung other person. Whether ikaw tong very successful on your work, okay, and you are healing, okay, and you're still hoping for a new start, okay, a new job, okay, building yourself, mastering your craft, okay, meron ako nakikita dito, and someone is, pwede you are very successful na right now on your job, and this person knows kung ano na yung status mo right now, and this person is regretting na niloko ka niya or pinagpalit ka niya sa iba. Okay, so let's see. Let's see on your oracle card. This is a true emotional oracle card. So let's see on your first card, pile number 1, drinking, toxic lifestyle. Okay, whether this person has a toxic lifestyle, okay, and po pwede talagang hindi kayo same page nitong person na to. Po pwedeng this is a happy-go-lucky person. This person is parang walang pakialam sa future. Okay? This person is a one-time, big-time, parang ganon. Or po pwedeng a gold digger or a party goer. Po pwedeng ganon eh. And the other person is matino. Okay? So, this is another confirmation, a toxic lifestyle. So again, this is a toxic connection. Okay? This person is missing you. Second card is trap. Okay? Po pwedeng still, okay? Trigger warning. Po pwedeng still you are healing and you feel trapped. Okay? Nahihirapan kang mag-move on, nahihirapan kang makapag-start ng new, or this person feels trapped sa lifestyle or sa toxic cycle because hindi niya mabago yung mga toxic ways niya. Okay? Or this person is na-trap sa situation na hindi niya maalisan right now. Kaya, regretting siya. Kasi siguro, you are the person na tumutulong sa kanya, na mapunta sa tamang landas, parang ganon, ina-advisean mo to, tinutulungan mo to. Okay, kasi someone dito sa connection na to, pile number 1, is matino while the other person is not. Okay? Pwedeng this person is a karmic, ha? Wow, ashamed, 'di ba? Guilt, embarrassed, in the wrong, okay? So kung sino man yung nakagawa dito ng pagkakamali sa other person, this person is big time regretting and ashamed doon sa ipinakita niya at ginawa niya doon sa other person na wala namang ibang hiniling kundi mapabuti siya. And pwedeng ikaw yun, pile number 1. Okay, this person is very ashamed on what happened between the two of you, and pwedeng this person is na-realize niya na kapag isip-isip siya nung mga nagawa niyang pagkakamali. Okay, kaya this person is missing you. Okay? Fourth card, goodbye. You said goodbye in this person, okay? Pwedeng ikaw nakipag-break or this person is the one na niloko ka. Okay? Ito yung pinagpalit ka sa iba, ito yung nakipaghiwalay sa'yo. Siya yung may lakas na loob na makipaghiwalay sa'yo. And this person is regretting doon sa ginawa niya. Okay? Kasi this person is hindi niya alam na kinlose niya yung chapter ninyong dalawa. Without knowing, po pwedeng ikaw naman pala talaga yung parang soulmate niya or ikaw yung person na makakapagpabago sa kanya or makakatulong sa kanya. Okay? And your fifth oracle card is often on, hot and cold, detached, ghosted. O, diba? Goodbye and ghosted. So, this person ghosted you. Okay? This person is a hot and cold. So, hot and cold in a connection is a toxic trait. Okay? Or toxic ways in a connection. So, po pwedeng this person is ginost ka. O, po pwedeng this could be a Capricorn na nang-ghost sa'yo. And this person is ashamed na ganun yung ginawa niya. Okay? Niha-niho is walang sinabi. Okay? So, itong person na to ang nakakamiss sa'yo. Oo. And nagsisisi siya dun sa ginawa niya sa'yo na pang-ghost. Okay? Feeling niya siguro no connection na kayo to, no contact na kayo nitong person na to, and this person is missing you. Missing the connection, missing the talking. Okay? Kasi someone here is very gentle, very ideal kind of a person, especially if this is a earth sign and you are an earth sign also, which is can be a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, okay? But then this person is a Taurus and you are a Virgo. This person is a Capricorn or Virgo and you are the Aquarius. So, kahit ano doon kasi earth sign, water sign ang aking nakikita dito. Okay. So, titingnan natin, guys. So, nakita natin kung sino yung person na nakakamiss sa'yo, pile number 1. So, let's see ano yung messages niya sa'yo. Okay? Kung makaka-resonate ba ito sa'yo. So, titingnan natin, okay? So, you have messages here na galing sa heart itong person na to. Okay. So, magugustuhan mo kaya ito pa number 1? Let's see. What's the point of it all? What's the point? Ano ba yung point nung lahat ng ito? Okay? So, this pwedeng you are the one saying this because you are still confused because this person is ginost ka. Okay? So, ano yung reason niya? Bakit kanya ginost? Pwedeng you are still asking and you still don't know kung ano yung sagot. Bakit ginost ka itong person to and you want the answer? O pwedeng ganon? Okay? Don't pressure me. Wow. Pwedeng this person is masyadong kampante sa lifestyle na parang hot and cold, parang chill lang. Siguro ikaw ang tipo ng seryoso ka na tipo ng babae or lalaki, pile number 1. Pwedeng itong person to is napipressure. Alam niya na ikaw ideal wife, ideal guy, ideal girlfriend, so whatsoever, alam niya sa sarili niya yon. Kaya nga nagre-regret tong person na to. Kaso masyado siyang hindi pa ready to settle down or to have a serious relationship. Okay? So, third card. I think about you all the time. O, diba? This person is thinking about you all the time. Kaya nga, this person misses or missing you. Namimiss ka. Kasi iniisip ka niya. Pwedeng this person is an overthinker also. Wow. You have to be patient. Anong sabi ko? Diba? The other person is very mapasensya while the other person is very stubborn. Ang gusto nitong person na to is pagpasensyahan mo pa rin yung mga difficult ways niya, yung mga toxic ways niya. I don't think so it will work. Pile number 1. Okay, so for your last card, I dream about you at night. So this person is dreaming about you, still thinking of you, still missing you, still feel sorry for what happened. Siguro, um, napagtanto niya kung ano yung pagkakamali niya. Pero this person kasi is siguro hindi makaalis kung nasa saan siya or hindi siya makaalis sa toxic ways niya or yung sa kinagisnan niya na parang hindi okay lang yung parang no string attached, not serious, parang ganun. Makipag-fling pa siya sa iba, parang ganun. Kasi toxic lifestyle is makipag-fling, makipag-inuman, makipag-flirt sa iba. And sa nakikita ko or nababasa kong energy, pile number 1, this is not for you na connection. Kasi you are a very seryoso type of a woman or a guy. Okay, so pang number 1, who is missing you? Sino nakakamiss sa'yo? So ito yung person na nang-ghost sa'yo. Okay, or ito yung person na nanakit sa'yo. Okay, or ginost ka, iniwan ka, nag-goodbye sa'yo. Okay, or nanakit sa'yo. Or nagbigay ng heartbreak sa'yo. Okay, so kung naka-resonate ka dito, I really appreciate yung magko-comment ka na resonated sa'yo itong napili mong pile. At kung hindi naman, you are free to watch pile number 2. Okay, so maraming salamat pile number 1 at hindi ko napapatagalin, I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay, so bye-bye pile number 1. Okay. Pile number 2. So, kung itong bato na to ang napili mo, itong stone na to, or crystal na to ang napili mo, so this is your reading sa ating topic na sinong nakakamiss sa'yo, who is missing you? Pile number 2. So, gumamit ako ng 3 card dito, isang tarot card, isang oracle card, and isang messages, okay? So, titingnan natin kung sino tong person na nakakamiss sa'yo and ano yung messages niya sa'yo. Again, this is a short pick o card reading, so wag mag-expect na mahabang reading, okay? So this is a short only pick o card reading. So pile number 2, let's see. Sino ba yung person na nakakamiss sa'yo? So we will start on your tarot card. And then next is your oracle card and last is your messages. Okay, so pile number 2, who is missing you? For your first card, we have, wow, 7 of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow, standing your ground. Pwedeng meron kayong alitan, hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to or talagang fight nitong person na to. Okay, so pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan or matinding debate nitong person na to. When it comes to principles, okay, or decision. Okay, so let's say this is a 7 of Wands. You need to stand your ground, okay? Or, pwedeng this person is determined, okay? Or very territorial, let's see. Okay, pile number 2. Your second card is, wow, the Moon, water signs, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Okay. Hidden secrets, okay. There is a deception here. Someone is being deceptive to other person or there is a secret here or hindi pagkakaunawaan or misconception, insecurity, okay. Third card is, wow, justice. Wow. This can be an older person, mas matanda siya kaysa sa'yo. This can be a person with authority or can be a policeman, a judge, okay, or working in a law. Oh, someone is being deceptive and the other person wants to know the truth. Or if someone is being deceitful over the other person, there is a justice na makukuha or may malalaman na katotohanan. So po pwedeng you need to stand your ground to know the truth about this person. Okay? So your fourth card is Page of Cups. Po pwedeng you are thinking whether you will talk to this person or you will lower your guard dito sa person na to, or you still be guarded dito when it comes dito sa person na to kasi deceptive tong person na to. Meron ako nakikita dito na you are thinking whether you are ready to trust this person or not. Okay, po pwedeng may nagawa tong pagkakamali sa'yo, may nagawang kasalanan, naging deceitful, naging malihim, nagsinungaling. Okay, you name it, okay? And this person wants to offer you an emotion, okay? Wants to offer his cup sa'yo. Pero po pwedeng this person is childish or po pwedeng isip bata pa. Okay? Or still this person is admiring you. If you are a water sign, you are a very intuitive person and you know na this person is deceitful or there is a secret here. Okay, so your fifth card is, wow, choice. So, po pwedeng ikaw ang hindi pa nakapag-desisyon whether you will trust this person, you will lower your ground dito sa person na to, or you will move on, or you will accept yung cuff or yung pakikipagkasundo niya sa'yo. Okay, so ibig sabihin na naka-reverse is meron ditong fear of change or indecisiveness, hindi makapag-desisyon. Okay, you are not following your intuition, you are not listening to your intuition. Okay. You can be still weighing your options or weighing your answer when it regards dito sa person na to. Okay? Pero you know the truth. You know what's happening in the background. There is a secret and there is a deceptiveness. Okay? Sa connection. You know. Pero if this person is naglilihim sa'yo, if this person is hindi naging totoo sa'yo, there is a karmic justice coming. Okay? So, po pwedeng you need to weigh your options. Okay? You need to stand your ground para hindi ka magkamali. Kasi once na nagkamali ka, there is a big lessons here. Okay? Pile number 2. Okay, so let's see in your card. Let's dive deep. Sino ba tong person na to na nami-miss ka? Okay. This is a true emotional oracle deck. Pile number 2. Happily single, so you can be single. Okay, you are dating, you are stress-free, career focus. Okay. So, pwedeng this is an ex. Okay. The one who is missing you. Okay. Or this is an admirer or crushing you. O pwedeng meron kayong talking stage nito pero pwede siguro someone is mysterious kasi there is a moon here. Someone is very mysterious or hidden pa. So, meron ako dito nakukuha na wag mong masyadong ilalapag lahat ng baraha mo when it comes ito sa person na to. So, you need to be mysterious pa rin, okay, when it comes sa personal details mo. Okay, meron ako nakikita ng ganyan. If you are dating, okay. No string, wow. No string attached. So, po pwedeng the deceptive here is po pwedeng the other person don't want to have an attachment or the other person is parang chill lang, ayaw pa niyang na serious relationship, or nararamdaman mo na siguro whether ikaw to na ayaw mo pang makipagrelasyon and you are happily single, ayaw mo pang makipag-date or pumasok sa relasyon, ayaw mo pa siyang sagutin. Okay? So, pwedeng meron pang need na matutunan para mag-grow. Okay, third card is getting readings. Wow. So you are watching readings, tarot readings, or this person knows how to read cards, or you know how to read cards because you are spiritual, okay? Side hustle, okay? So, pwedeng someone here is busy working, busy hustling, happily single, ayaw mo na ng commitment, okay? So, pwede siguro nasanay ka na single ka and yung transition sa single to in relationship is mahihirapan ka. Kaya siguro there is someone here gusto manligaw, nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay, this is a second story. So, ayaw mo pa siguro makipag-commit. Okay. So, let's see. Cope. So, there is a liquor here or alak. Okay. So, pwede sigurong yung mga vices or hindi mo na, someone here is thinking na hindi niya na magagawa yung mga gusto niyang gawin kapag ka, siguro, meron akong nakuhang download right now na you need to stand your ground. If this is a lover, this person is offering a cup of love. Meron ako nakuha na someone here is ayaw pang ng commitment eh. Oo. So, take what resonate. Ayaw niya ng change. Change of routine, basta happy siya na na single and doing his or her own. Yes. Dating muna or pumunta muna sa field tapos makakilala ng maraming as much as possible na parang prospect with no string attached, parang hindi pa nga ready to have a commitment kasi happy siya na single siya. And with the side hustle and career focus muna siya sa career. Okay, whether ikaw to pile number 2 or ito yung person na kukuha natin, energy niya to. Yes. Eh, pwede siguro this person looks at you as very challenging. Kasi nga, kasi, parang someone is complaining. This person is an admirer. Akala niya siguro kayo na. You entertain this person. Akala niya siguro kayo na. Pero, there is no string attached dito. Hindi mo pa siya sinasagot. Parang ganon. And you are happily single. And you're focused on your career. And ayaw mo pang makipag-commit. So, this person is missing you. Take what's resonate, guys, ha? Pile number 2 and leave the rest. So, titingnan natin. Ano ba yung messages niya sa'yo, pile number 2? Okay, so this is from his or her heart. So, let's see. Ano ba yung messages niya sa'yo? So, message number 1. I wish we could be together forever. Wow. This person is some kind of obsessed. Obsessing over you, admiring you so much. Oh my gosh. Pwedeng hindi mo pa masyadong kilala tong person na to, itong nanliligaw sa'yo, or nag-offer ng connection. So, there is an advice to stand your ground. Okay. Our paths will always reunite. Oh, for some of you, this is an ex. Okay. My love for you is stronger than ever. Oh my gosh, this is an obsessed person. Okay. I don't want to wait any longer. Please be mine. O, diba? This is an admirer na hindi makapag-atat na atat. This is another confirmation. Atat na maging kayo na. Nasagutin mo na siya. Pero ikaw kasi is, you're happily single. So, this is po pwedeng ito yung hidden pa. Hidden na characteristic nitong person na to na nakakamiss sa'yo. Na ang katotohanan is this person is obsessed or atat na maging committed sa'yo. Pero ikaw is ayaw mo pa. Kumbaga, when you see this card, the other person is questioning the woman or yung other person. Ito, kini-question niya yung babae na parang we are not yet in a connection or in a relationship, kaya bakit kanya pagbabawalan, parang ganon. Okay? I don't want any longer. Guys, kapag ganito yung guy po, pwedeng mapunta to sa toxic relationship, ha? Let's see. I'm tired of running. Wow. Someone here is tired running, tired of waiting. I don't want to wait any longer. Wag mo kong paghintayin. Kaso nga lang, the other person is happily single. I need you to help me. Oh my! Ooh. You are career focused. You are minding your own business. You are getting the money. You are side hustling. And pwedeng this person is broke as F. Okay? And this person needs help. That's why gusto niya nang maging kayo, syempre, para meron na siyang right na mag-ask ng help from you. Oh my gosh. I don't like this energy pal number 2, pero this person is missing you and thinking of you right now. Okay? So, nasa sa'yo pal number 2. Pero this person needs your help. And I don't think na you want that kind of a person. Okay? Wala namang masamang tumulong, pero specifically if that is a guy and you are a girl, and the guy is asking you to help and you're not even in a connection, I don't think so it will work. Okay? So, pile number 2. This is your reading, who is missing you. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading natin. Okay? And maraming salamat sa makakapanood and magko-comment sa ating comment section na resonated sa kanila. And I will surely magre-reply sa inyong comment. Okay? So I'm happily na makita kung sino yung ating mga commenter sa ating video na ito. Okay? Para malaman ko na active pa rin kayo. And bilang pasasalamat, I will choose 2 person na bibigyan ng 30 minutes reading. So, this is pasasalamat kasi matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload. Okay? So, abangan ninyo yung ating pagpili. Okay? So, maraming salamat guys. And good morning sa inyong lahat. Again, this is La Luna Tarot. And this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. Saying good morning sa inyong lahat. And God bless. Okay? Sa susunod ulit na araw, abangan ninyo yung ating upload. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Bye!